Camping survival kits are essential for anyone planning a camping trip or outdoor adventure. There are many products available to choose camping survival kits, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best camping survival kits from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Survival Kit and First Aid Kit. The Survival First Aid Kit 142-in-1 is a comprehensive emergency survival and first aid equipment that is perfect for outdoor activities like camping, hiking, fishing, and more. It includes 21 multipurpose survival tools, 106 first aid kit items, and a fishing tool set. Its practical gears and tools can help you treat wounds and prevent infections. It is compact, lightweight, and durable, making it easy to carry and attach to other bags. It is an ideal gift for men, fathers, family, and friends. Number 2. Gifts for men, dad, husband, boyfriend, him. The Appear Survival Gear is a versatile and essential 14-in-1 survival kit designed for outdoor enthusiasts, adventurers, and emergency preparedness. This high-quality emergency kit includes tactical gear such as a tactical pen, survival bracelet, multifunctional card, multi-use spork, and a 14-in-1 hatchet, ensuring you have the necessary tools for any task. It also contains practical camping tools like a fire starter, emergency blanket, fake shrimp bait, wire saw, and bottle hanging buckle. Compact and lightweight, this survival kit is easy to carry and store in a waterproof box. It's the perfect gift for men and women who enjoy outdoor activities and a reliable companion for camping, hiking, hunting, fishing, and wild adventures. With the Appear Survival Gear, you can confidently tackle any outdoor challenge or unexpected event. Number 3. Blue Camping First Aid Kit. OutTrek Survival Kit is a complete 215 PCS emergency survival kit that includes a first aid kit, multi-tool, shovel pick combo, and more. Designed for the harshest outdoor conditions, this professional-grade gear ensures reliability and preparedness in any situation. The striking all-blue color of the kit allows for easy identification and quick access to your tools. Whether you're hiking, camping, or exploring the wilderness, these lightweight and portable survival backpacks are perfect for any outdoor challenge. This all-in-one kit is the ideal gift for adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts, providing safety and peace of mind during their escapades. Number 4. Survival First Aid Kit. This professional emergency kit is perfect for camping, hiking, fishing, and other outdoor activities. It contains 248 high-quality survival tools and essential first aid supplies that can treat a family or group of friends during emergencies. The kit includes gear such as a compass, flashlight, wire saw, hatchet, and a comprehensive first aid kit with 212 emergency supplies. The compact and lightweight 600D nylon maul pouch can be attached to a backpack or belt, making it portable and easy to carry. It's a great Christmas gift for men, women, and kids who love outdoor activities. Number 5. Vaderald Gifts for Men, Dad, Husband, Him, Father's Day. The Vaderald 12-in-1 survival gear and equipment is a unique gift for outdoor enthusiasts. The emergency survival kit includes 12 essential items such as a wire saw, water bottle clip, flashlight, and more. It is perfect for hiking, camping, hunting, and fishing trips. This cool gadget is an ideal Christmas or birthday gift for men, women, fathers, brothers, and friends who love adventure. The kit comes in a waterproof box and provides peace of mind during emergencies. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.